Hello guys, it is a rainy and nasty day in Memphis, Tennessee. Today I'm on site in the 38117 zip code. You've heard me talk about it a lot. It's one of the most appreciating zip codes in the Memphis area. A lot going on. I'm on the very southern border of this zip code. All brick, little tank of a house here in East Memphis, one of the most appreciating zip codes in Memphis, Tennessee. Let me go over my shoulder. The house behind me, directly behind that, I bought a burnt down house. The vacant lot has been scraped. I start construction on that house tomorrow. So a brand new house built in the hottest zip code. Yes, we're on the very southern border of that hot zip code, but the majority of these houses were built in the 60s. So building a house in 2020, those are the kind of things that make me jump out of bed excited each morning. So here we're in front of a house on Jamaica. I got the second dumpster already on this one. All brick, hip roof. So what is a hip roof? So that means the roof comes down on all corners, which creates no siding on the house. So if we look over here at the house over my shoulder, that is what you call a gable. The gable has siding that shall have to be repainted one day. The house we're looking at today has a hip roof, meaning there are no gables. So you have roof, trim, brick. The windows are low maintenance aluminum, so there's very little on this house that'll ever have to be maintained. You've heard me say it before, it's a tank of a house. It's a little tank. So over here, see no gable, roof, trim, brick. I love these low maintenance houses. They look great too. So this little area right here, it's known for the kids that are returning from college. They go off to school at University of Tennessee, Alabama, University of Memphis. Now they're getting into their first house. They're either buying in this area or renting if they aren't quite ready to buy. So hot area for the young people returning from college. They make great renters. I've got a rental in this area. We just leased to a resident at St. Jude. So soon to be a doctor, currently a resident at St. Jude. They take as good a care of that house as any of my renters I have. So in this house, we've got a living room up front and another living room behind, so two living areas. I'm in the dining room now, walking straight through into the kitchen. You can see the cabinets have been painted. The kitchen is being updated, tile on the floors. This kitchen will be a dramatic difference in the next video and pictures you see coming from my team. This house is under renovation. I like doing videos under renovation just to give you guys an idea of the magnitude of work going on. You see the gray walls, white trim you've come accustomed to. Here we have a real wood burning fireplace. So if the tenant wanted to have a real wood fire, that's a possibility. As I step into the bedroom area, we've got bedroom number 1 behind me, bedroom number 2 just this way, and I'll step through into the larger bedroom, bedroom number 3, which features its own ensuite bath. It's got a full bath, and you can see in here, brand new shower with the tile going up over the shower head. Shower only, no tub. Little bitty vanity will go in here, most like a pedestal, and toilet. So taking a house like this and adding an ensuite bath in the master bedroom is a big upgrade. So we've got master bedroom, completely remodeled bath in the hallway, tile up past the shower head, decorative tile, steel tub, toilet, vanity, 2 more bedrooms. So I'll come in here, spin around real quick. This will be queen size bed, 1 nightstand and a dresser. Bedroom number 2, bedroom number 3, same thing. You can get a queen size bed in here, a nightstand and a dresser easily, plenty of storage in the closets. The master bedroom, you can do a king size bed, 2 nightstands and a dresser easily. You've got the front living room I'm standing in now, the back one as well. This house is already sold, but keep your eye out for 38117, that zip code, Colonial Acres. We're right now on the very southern tip of Colonial Acres, but the whole area is just on fire. We recently did a quadplex for one of you guys watching the video now. Hey Max, and appreciate you guys. Every time I get a house in this neighborhood, I got multiple people wanting it. When you come out for the big event in May, you're gonna see the brand new house I'm building. So we'll definitely tour this neighborhood in May. If you haven't signed up yet, go to turnkeyinvest.com, reach out to me and my team. We wanna be a catalyst to help you achieve your investment goals. Thanks and have a great day.